Still there. Okay. Yes! He got fired. He got fired. And dang it. He stole my kill. Okay. I'll do this. Fire. No. Misfire. Oh, that was so close. Yes! Oh, big blaster, man. Oh, but I kind of like the other blaster. Huh? -10. Gunpoint. No! I was on the last gun. Oh, I was on the last gun. I missed. I missed again. Overhit. It's done for. Yes. Okay. Okay, we're back to this gun. Okay, finally, we're back to this blaster. Let's finish this off. One last time. Hey, what? Humiliation. Oh no. Oh my God. What gun does he have? Oh! He has the final gun. He has the big gun. He has the turret. He has it. He has it. Ooh, what if I do this? Misfire. Nope. Just 10 gun humiliation. We're back to the mega. Okay? Let's do this. Go, go. Really? I died by the bear again? I call hacks. I missed! I missed! I don't kill him! No! No! Oh! No! That's what you call a misfortune. What's up, it's Playlex here. And if you like the Nerf Gun Game 2.0, then comment down below what was your favorite part. And I can't believe that bear beat me. I know, in Gun Game 1, I beat that one dude fair and square. Like, it's basically maddening, man. I was doing so good. And then this happened. It's like, I was on the last blaster. Well, I wasn't on the last blaster yet, but yeah, I was close to the last blaster. I got hit, went back. That was fine with me. I was on the last blaster. So I go and get the last blaster. I get shot. Bang! I go down to the red one. When I stay in the red one, then that bear does it. Somehow my aim wasn't good from there, and now I'm here. 3rd place. I hit the mega pistol, the big shock. He had the rhino fire. Wow. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for a Nerf Gun Game 2.0 guns that I used in it, because that will be on my channel soon. I promise. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, press that like button. Maybe become maybe you should become a partner of me in the notification squad. And this is Alex, and play on. But goodbye. Playlex out.